What's up, boys? It's your boy Mini Smoothie, the worst paladin to ever play this game. And today I will teach you some stuff, since I've realized that there's really not anyone making any Holy Paladin commentary or guides on YouTube right now. That is like less than 1 month ago, pretty much, and Holy Paladin really has changed a lot. So I think I could help some noobs out today. So I'm not the best Holy Paladin there is, but I have reached 2100 almost every season, and this season I got 22. So not the best, but I do know some stuff that after a long time of failure and mistakes, I have learned myself. Yeah, and in this video, I will show you how to win against RMP, which is Rogue Mage, Priest or Paladin, as a Turbo with a Paladin. These games are at the MMR of 2100, and yeah, let's just get started. In the games versus RMP, I'll be playing Divine Favor with Ultimate Sacrifice and Blessed Hands. The reason why you don't want to play Life's Grace here is because you're really not gonna cast as much at all, since RMP have pretty much only setup goes, and they don't have much damage, like besides from the setups. So it's very insane to have 2 bombs and Ultimate Sacrifice and Divine Favor if you need it. Also, I'm playing blind with Battlemaster Trinket. So the game's about to start here, and you can see I'm playing Ultimate Sac with Blessed Hands. I'm playing with 2 random LFG people. So I'm gonna have to write some things to them in chat. So first of all, I don't want it to stack on me for triple DB, pretty obvious, so my teammates go over here while I stay right here. And I say it to them in chat as well. My warrior managed to get them both out, but this is very important to look at. So I hudge the rogue on his go, and he can't get the spell because the priest is so far away. And this fucks up their go very hard, their opener. Now they still are trying to get a go. Double blind. We almost get the rogue, he vanished. And this is where they do their go. So I think they're gonna go my shaman, so I pop him, but they're actually gonna go me. I'm not gonna do anything until I hear the combust sound. I hear combust. I just battle mastery only because there's no really pressure at all. And this is an insane game because we stopped their whole entire opener. And look at what I have. I still have Bubble, Bop, Ultimate Sac, Wings, Divine Toll, Divine Favor. I have everything. And all my teammates have it too. Wall as well, and Commanding Shout. Or Rallying Cry. This is so good for us, since we stopped their goes so hard in the opener. And we're just so healthy, he just goes down. Alright, next game. Alright, the next game versus RMP, same map, but different RMP. You always want to have beacon on yourself and your shaman as well on this, since your shaman can die and you can die. Your warrior's never gonna die with the defensive stance, right? Alright, so they're trying to open here, and something very shitty happens. Both my shaman and my warrior get double DB'd. This is very bad if you're a shaman and a warrior, and you're playing this comp. Don't stack just on anyone versus RMP, because this is super shitty. So they're gonna open on me now, and none of my teammates can help. So they force shit from me. Now, very important here. What you don't do is bubble. Don't you dare press the fucking bubble, because then you're so fucked in the rest of the game. So they get the opener, but you just gotta be calm, right? So if they do a naked go like this, with only meteor and just rogue hitting you, don't use shit. Don't use nothing at all. Now, and the priest is also not, he can't mind games you, right? So just don't use anything. Like, you're not gonna die, right? Unless he combusts, you have to use shit. So he combusts. What you do is, you pop yourself to get out of the kidney, or the cheap shot, and you battle mastery. That's all you do. And you should be fine. So I go for casual CC here, trying to get some pressure. I get polyed on it though. The rogue almost got down here, but of course not. He still has vanish, still everything. I blind the priest casually. My shaman walled, so now I have to be super careful. You see he walled. Now he has nothing for the next go. Now this is important. So I see that they're both popping, right? And this is where you want to. This is why you want to play blessed hands as well as ultimate sacrifice, because you can feel them both and they can just go ham, right? And you can't really get stopped. Unfortunately, my warrior gets spell stolen and rooted. I really want to dispel him here since he's popped his cooldowns, but I get polyed on it, so that's really bad. Now they're gonna do the go on my shaman, and I see that they're popping shit, and I get so scared. I trinket. Unfortunately, I'm slowed. I can't get the sack off in time, and I get my control down. This is super bad. You shouldn't. This is very bad plays from my part. This was super bad from me. But that's alright, because I still have sack. I still have some things, right? So we can still do stuff. You also have Bob, which is pretty much a trinket, right? No. Sorry about that. Okay, I get blinded. Now this, you see, this is why as well you play the blessed hands and not the weird holy light shit. Because you can bob yourself with a trinket and sack, right? And he was gonna bomb here normally. But you bob, sack, easily. Now they really want to go you though. Now this is super scary, you have to notice. You have your thing where for Barons where you can't bubble for a long time. Now this is very scary. You have to be much more careful than I am here. But I'm an idiot and I'm not careful at all. And I let them go me. Now. And I almost die. But this is very important. When you're this low, you can only press 2 buttons in time that can help you. Divine Toll and Wings. Because these two, they do not share school. So you can press them without global cooldown. And this is what I do because you can heal yourself much quicker than with any other abilities. So you see, Wings instantly, Divine Toll, keep myself up, get in much holy power to top myself, and that was very important that you press exactly those 2 buttons exactly at that time and nothing else. Okay, now I get a insane double blind here. They both trinket. And yeah, we just win the game. I mean, they really had nothing. Yeah, that was how to play versus RMP as Turbo in this season. And this is the MMR.